The Meghalaya SSA School Association today raised concerns over inaccuracies in the Education Department's Meghalaya School Information System, which is used for budgeting and disbursing teachers' salaries. At a press conference held today, Association President Aristotle Rimbai informed that a representation had been submitted to the Director of School Education and Literacy, Bante Langji Kharshandi, regarding a recent directive requiring schools to submit budget and salary fund requirements via the MSIS portal. He stated that the association had detected several errors in the data provided through the system and urged upon the state government to ensure transparency and accuracy in the process.
Meghalaya SSA School Association as a body, we come here today to share our meeting with the Director of School of Education and Literacy, Government of Meghalaya, Sir Bante Kharshandi, where we have discussed pertaining to the latest notification issued by his good office on 16 July 2025 regarding the submission of budget and fund requirements for payment of teachers' salary through the portal known as the Meghalaya School Information Management System. So regarding this portal, yes, we appreciate these steps taken by the government, especially to enhance the current system of payment of teachers' salary and to make it more transparency. So apart of this, we have there is some technical errors which we have come to our notice through the teachers, and today we have brought these problems and errors to the notice of the director. And today during the meeting, he have shared a detailed presentation how this portal works and and how far it will benefit the teachers in the near future. Not only the teachers, but the entire transaction pertaining to payment of teachers' salary. Apart from that, he have informed us that he will generate one SIM help desk, which will be as ticketing tools, where teachers who are having problems, for example, like wrong entry of the names, wrong entry or date of joining. There are some teachers who are missing from that portal, where they will get a chance to air their grievances through this SIM help desk. And with the data collected from the SIM help desk, the department will do the necessary correction in the MSIS portal. Apart from this, the director have informed us that he have also assured us that he will extend the date of submission of this data till September this year. So especially the SSA teachers not to be in a hurry to cross-check the details in the portal, and if there is any wrong entry, they should bring to the notice of the department through this SIM help desk, which will be launched very soon in the coming days by the department. YouTube channel of the Education Department, name Education Department Meghalaya YouTube channel, where from this channel they can go and look to the details instruction which given by the department in this tutorial video. So we urge all the teachers to do visit this YouTube channel of the Education Department Meghalaya, so that you will get the details instruction how to fill up your details regarding the submission of budget and fund requirement for teachers' salary through this MSIS portal.